Hey there tubers, it's me AMR and welcome to my video of the AllCall W1 watch, smartwatch. Guys, this watch is absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to unbox it. As you can see, there's a bloody tripod here and I'm not going to use it. Why? Because before making this video, I went on halfway through unboxing it and realized everything's all blurry because of this tripod. I have no idea how the hell people use this. So, I just put the phone in there and, everything was all zoomed in and it was disgusting. So, for now, it's going to be a 100 blurry review. So, don't worry about it. It's cool. But anyways, here we go. As you can see from the previous attempt of unboxing this, it is basically half unboxed. I didn't go all the way through it, so it's cool. Here's the box. AllCall. Let the world within reach. Okay, that's a weird motto. Unboxing that. Watch is inside. All mummified, just like the Y1 watch that I did previously unboxed on my channel. All mummified, and this time this watch is pretty mummified in a really delicate way. It's really soft and stuff. I got the silver version of the AllCall watch. That is because I prefer the silver one rather than the black one, because the silver one is gonna stand out more, guys, and it is awesome. So let's just unbox this. Unwrap this, unmummify this with one hand. Man, it's a real struggle. It's a real struggle. Good thing it has a screen protector on it, guys. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got a screen protector on it. I don't need to get any other screen protector. Which way is the right way? This is the right way. This watch, guys, I was after it for such a long time and I finally got it. The strap is like carbon fiber. Looks pretty neat. I don't think I'm going to be changing this anytime soon unless it somehow, I hope not. I want to know how durable it is. By the way, this is just an unboxing video. It's not a full-on review. Full-on review will be coming after obviously I wear it and check it out, what's what on this watch, because I can't just review it right now. That's just going to be stupid, man. Bloody hell, this strap is pretty tight here. I'm just unwrap this, guys. So then, tubers, after getting the strap all off, you can see on first glance there is the heartbeat sensor. There is also the charge. This is going to be a magnetic charging port that we're going to go in the box soon. And here this watch has its own unique SIM. And yeah, as I said, that's the heartbeat sensor. But this watch, guys, is an Android phone. Enough said. Basically, whatever your smartphone can do, this watch can do it. Yes, you can watch YouTube videos on it. Yes, you can go on Google Play Store. Yes, you can play games on it. It's got its own individual 2 GB of RAM. That's the most powerful watch out right there. I haven't seen any watch that's got any more RAM than 1 GB, but this has got 2 GB RAM. It's got 16 GB internal built-in storage. I can't see any memory card slot there, but all I can see is the SIM card slot for this watch. Right, what do we have in the box? In the box, we got this, what was sporting the watch, and we have a box that says accessory on it. So let's see what accessory this has inside. Excuse me, guys, if you hear any weird alienating voices of language outside. That's because we have some people outside which are talking a total different language. I have no idea what language they're speaking, but whatever. Here we go. Let's just get this out. Man, tripod, if only you made life easy for me, but you made life much harder for me, to be honest. I got so angry when I looked at the recording and it was not cool. So here it is. Here is the cable, the charging cable. And what else is inside the box? There is nothing else inside the box. And it says, nice and easily, it said accessory on it. And let's open this. With one hand, my one hand skills are getting, a level 1000 right now. This is the cable. It's a normal USB from one side, and it is literally something that I've never seen before. I've seen it on my old Xperia phone. It's a magnetic charger, so it's just gonna basically, just like that. Oh, that magnet is pretty strong. Look, you just put it like that. That's it, and it's gonna start charging just like that. So that is the charging cable. What else we have in here is this box. This box was meant to have a screwdriver in it. Screwdriver to remove the straps. But for some odd reason, AliExpress is the only website that does not include the screwdriver. I have no idea why. However, inside the box we have another screen protector, and we have an AllCall instruction manual, which I am not going to show you all of because it's pretty boring, to be honest. Pretty boring. Right, let's just get all the boxes out of the way, and we'll try and turn on the watch. Right guys, let's try and turn on the watch. Has it got any charge? Wow, it has. Well, that is one. By the way, this has a Samsung Galaxy Infinite display and looks amazing. Well, to me it's looking amazing. To you guys it probably isn't because of the lighting and stuff. Look at that Android, man. Android. I can't wait to actually put this on my wrist. Starting apps. Let me give the video a little bit of a pause, guys, and I will just remove the screen protector, and I will also get through all these, these settings so that you guys can see what's happening. Right then, guys, it seems like that the battery is bloody 90% charged, and this is basically the first watch face that you see when you turn on the watch. The screen is so beautiful, it's unbelievable, guys. You swipe left and it's got notifications, and it's so responsive. It's just like your phone. Like I said, what can you expect from the Galaxy Infinite display? Right, let's see what it has. It has contacts, phone, Bluetooth call, health, messaging, music control, remote capture, settings, browser, music, gallery, clock, file manager, find my device, sound recorder. This has a built-in mic as well, weather, calendar, voice search, Play Store, that's Google Play Store, maps, switch platform. Basically that's either you want to go to iOS, it connects to iOS as well as Android. Oh my god, my phone's getting worse and worse at focusing on this thing. There we go. And then if you got connect phone, this watch has its own app. You can connect it through that. You can connect it with our app as well. Is there anything in the gallery that I can show? There is nothing, no images available. Right, how do we go back? What is this button for? This button is to go back. Okay, how do I go to watch face? You do that. How do I change the watch face? There we go. Look at that, dude. Does that look awesome or what? This is a standard watch face, by the way, in here, and you can get millions and millions of watch faces. There's the classic one. That's another, just normal one. Oh my god, this one looks fancy. By the way, the date and time is all, I haven't set it up. Oh, no, go back. I want to see more watch faces, man. That's the reason why I got this watch. You got this really plain, basic one. That's another, it's got gears. What, dude, that looks awesome. That looks really, really nice. Right, let's see what's next. We got this that looks like a flipping, what's it called now? That big black disc, and it's got a needle that plays it. It's got so many watch faces. And basically, you can put on more. It's not connected to the network right now, but once it is going to be connected to the network, it's got infinite amount of clock faces. Infinite amount, guys. And this watch, guys, some people have been saying it is better than the Samsung Galaxy Watch, right? Which so many reviews I've seen, people are saying it is. But the only downfall about this watch I've heard is it's the battery, guys. The battery of this watch is not what it's more to be. I mean, if you just strap it to your hand, change a few watch faces around here and there, it's a great watch to show off and stuff. But if you want like a performance wise, you want to show off YouTube and all that, then the battery's going to go down in 3-4 hours, which is what I heard. And to be honest, that's it with the review right now. You're probably thinking, come on, you haven't even turned on the YouTube, you haven't turned on any Wi-Fi functions or anything. Guys, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to do that on my second video on this watch. The second video is going to be describing all of the features, all of the apps, how much it has run. I'm going to be going in depth with that review. I'm also going to be wearing this watch for like maybe 2-3 weeks to see how it's like. And then you guys can, I can give you a perfect little... Wait, let me just change that watch face, man. That other one was crazy. Check this watch face out. That looks absolutely crazy, guys. This is the AllCall watch for you guys. I've completely forgot AllCall. I think it's AllCall W1, guys. And thanks for watching that video. Help the AMI. I got 1,000 subscribers, guys. I need subscribers. Hit that like button if you like this video. Share this video if you, enjoyed it. And share it with